What's up guys, Donnie Diamond here, and I have a new bag that I'm adding to my collection. This is a bag made by Compagnon. It's a German handmade bag made out of leather and a wax fabric material. Let me start off by saying, before I review this, that my bags that I have in my collection are all high-end. They're not cheap bags. They're not the kind of bags you wear 3 times and then throw into the back of your closet like your wife did to that fake Gucci purse she bought in Chinatown last time you guys were in New York City. These are high quality bags. A lot of craftsmanship went into them. They're just like tripods. You save up money and you buy the best tripod. Otherwise, you end up buying 5 tripods. You buy a cheap one, a little bit more expensive, a little bit more expensive. Do they all do the job? Sure they do. But you're always looking to upgrade them. So in my opinion, saving up your money and buying just one bag, the perfect bag, is the way to go. All right, so let's get down to it. So this is their new design bag. They have the same bag, looks the same, that they put out a couple years ago, but they updated a couple things in this bag. One of the things was that the material they used to use was a canvas material that had a very waxy feel to it. It felt a little bit wet, and I think people were complaining, so they went ahead and updated that to a lot more dry fabric. This is a beautiful, high durable fabric, the kind that when it gets dirty you could just rub it off real quick with a rag. The bottom is made out of leather and it's structured so that the bag does not fall forward or back. You could just leave it and it stays. That is one thing a lot of people look for in a backpack. Backpacks that don't tilt front to back regardless what kind of gear it is. So the bottom over here has some kind of structure that really holds that well. They also added another zipper on both sides. So I really like these zippers. They're not made for bulky items. They're made for like a passport when you're traveling or a wallet. Very easy to just zip it open and grab it. So they added one to both sides of the bag. The back of the bag is made out of leather, and I was first concerned when I started wearing this that my back is going to get all sweaty because it's leather. It could be that I'm a small guy so I don't sweat that much, but I did not experience sweat because the back was made out of leather. They have these grooves that let your back breathe. Let's talk about the back. Let's talk about the straps. These are very heavy duty straps. Sometimes you find these huge beautiful bags and then suddenly the straps are thin and they feel like they're not going to support the back well, and they don't feel comfortable on you. But this is well padded, high quality. Over here, these straps, this is the strap that goes across your chest, and I've never seen this on a bag before done this way, but this just slides up and down according to wherever you want it. On both sides, it just slides up and down, and it surprisingly stays in place. It didn't shift at all. It stayed exactly where I put it, and then this buckle just goes in into that hole. All right, so let's talk about the outside a little bit more, and then we'll jump on into the inside. So this has straps on the sides, both sides, but not only that, it has straps on the bottom as well. I assume that obviously one of these are for a tripod, and then the other 2 would be for a jacket. Very easy to clamp a jacket. I tried putting my water bottle in here, but it wasn't long enough, so there was no way to secure that. I would probably, if I was planning on putting my water bottle on the outside, put maybe a carabiner on the water bottle and then just hook it into one of the hooks that it has. It also has 2 more hooks right over here at the bottom and another hook right over here. All right, so this bag has 2 sections. It has the bottom section, which has all your gear in it, and it has the top. The top is a roll-on. The really cool clasp over here opens it up in a second. You could unroll this and put your clothing inside here. So I just have a sweater inside here right now, which is small, but you could fit a massive coat in here. There's tons of space, and then the top also has magnets. So this opens with magnets. Really cool. I really like this because you could just roll it up and it looks small, and then you could also just unroll it and stick something big in there. It does have a pocket over here. I keep my lens for my camera, for my cell phone camera in here. You could store your camera up here for easy access once you have it set up. This is not one of those easy access bags that have access to the camera from the sides. It's the kind of bag that you just basically you get to your location, you put it down, you put your camera together, and then you don't put the camera back in the bag until you finish the photo shoot. Okay, so this is the inside. This is over here is for a laptop. Simple enough, a 15-inch laptop. Over here, these attach with Velcros. There's Velcros on the back. This is for a memory card. You have ones for wires, batteries, stuff like that. I was able to fit 4 lenses in here, 2 bodies, my Moneymaker by Holdfast camera strap, and my speaker down here at the bottom. I have my UE Boom speaker. I go no place without that. I have my clothing clips over here, and I have a 35, 85, 50, and my 105. My 105, which is my longest lens, fits down directly like this. The bag does come with a handful of these leather strips with Velcro that could secure your gear down from flying around. This is that leather divider that you could take out so you could get top and bottom access from the top all the way down. So that's pretty much it for this bag. Simple enough. Alright guys, so that's my review of the Compagnon 2.0 backpack. Before you go commenting in the comment section with your negative comments about how you got to sell your kids or take out a second mortgage on your house just to afford the bag, you should know that I'm not reviewing the value of the bag. That's something that's very opinionated. I'm simply showing you the features and the craftsmanship of this beautifully made bag. Love you guys. Can't wait to review another bag. Till next time, peace and love.